Right, Nelly. So we got the electric today for this one, and the setup. We're all ready to go. Don't know if you can see that there. So there's the amp, orange, and then there, I presume that's coming up, is the pedal. So we were talking about the different effects that they were using on the Vultures riff. So we were talking about reverb, right? And then chorus. So chorus, as I was saying, it kind of just gives it a watery, metallic-y, shiny kind of texture. That's kind of how I would describe it. So as for the riff itself, so that's what it sounded like. So now we were talking about a lot about picking and how to arrange it. There's obviously, I mean, technically you could go, you technically you could play it all with one finger, but obviously that's going to sound terrible, right? It's going to be choppy, messy, and all that. So you want to find the best way to play it, which is not necessarily the most natural feeling way to play it. I mean, because like we were talking about, going down with the pick always feels a lot more natural than coming up. Coming up just kind of feels weird, but if you want to play something like this smooth, you definitely want to do it. Now, you really got that riff down, going just down. So well done on that. But that's a lot more difficult than what I'm talking about. Okay, even though it doesn't feel that way now. So so let's go here for a second, right? So we're coming down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So we'll just go through that again. Let me just get some better light here. Oh, that's white. Okay, so we can see it there. Okay, I'll just hold it out a bit more. Down, down, up. Sorry, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so now remember, you don't need to remember a big long series of down, 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 up, down, up, down. You don't need to do that, right? All you need to do is stick to that whole principle of pick the string from wherever the pleck is. Don't bring it into position. Don't bring it above the string in order to go down on it. If you're below the string you're about to hit, just come up. Always do it that way. Much smoother. Even though it doesn't really feel all that natural at first, okay? Doesn't matter. Just get used to doing it that way and it will be much smoother. So as for the left hand then, so we said we were going to go, so here we are at the A. All right, so we've got middle finger coming in, drop it back. Now, as I said, you can bar it here as well, like that, kind of like that power chord we were doing. Okay, but we'll just stick to this way because this way is fine. So we're going middle finger comes back, third finger goes in for the G, and then to get back to the start of the riff, take those two away, and there you are. Okay, so then we've got our power chords. So the only thing you need to remember about that, other than which power chords you're using, but you have those written down anyway, is the 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1. Now, if you're strumming with that regular motion, it's going to be an up on that C power chord there, so 8th fret E string. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1. So that's that one. That's the bridge, and then the chorus is 1, 2, 3. So you can go like what we were doing there on the acoustic. Just kind of mute it with your right hand like that. But on the electric, you're better off particularly. Oh. So, with this one here, it's just this. There's more noise, there's more grit, it's dirtier when you do it that way, right? All right, that's it. So keep it up. Doing really good. See you next time.